In this video, I'm going to show you how to view layers in Photopea using two super simple methods. If your layers panel has disappeared, don't worry, it usually only takes a few clicks to bring it back. This is really useful if you're editing images, working with multiple objects, or just trying to get your workspace back to normal. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photopea guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's use the easiest method, the menu bar. At the top of Photopea, click on Window. From the drop-down menu, look for Layers. If you see a check mark next to Layers, that means the panel is already active in your workspace. If it's not visible, click Layers once to turn it back on. As soon as you do that, the Layers panel should appear, usually on the right side of the screen. This is the main place where you can see every layer in your project, including text, shapes, images, and adjustments. If you still don't see it, don't panic. Sometimes the right sidebar is just collapsed. That brings us to the second method. Look on the far right side of the Photopea interface, near the top of the sidebar. You should see a small arrow icon, either pointing inward or outward, like a double chevron symbol. Click that arrow to expand the right side dock. Once it opens, your tabs for layers, channels, and paths should come back into view. When the panel is expanded, click the Layers tab if it isn't already selected. This will show you the full list of layers in your project. From here, you can click a layer to select it, drag layers up or down to change their order, toggle visibility with the eye icon, and manage your design much more easily. If you ever lose the panel again, just remember these two methods. Go to Window, then Layers, or expand the right sidebar with the arrow icon, and that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to view layers in Photopea and get your workspace back in seconds. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.